Good morning everyone. Welcome to my online class. Today I will discuss the chapter number 2 from your science amazing animals. Okay. So in introduction the points are animals and their habitats, body coverings of different animals and birds, feeding habits, different means of breathing, moving habits different animals. Okay. So habitat of animal. Habitat means the natural living place of animal. That means where animals live are called habitat of animals. So what are the habitat of animals? Here forest, desert, polar region, mountain, ocean and freshwater bodies. Next come to the point, animals and their habitats. This world is full of amazing animals. All of you see different animals surrounding you. For example, you can see cow, goat, all etc. etc. Various kinds of animals live around us. Okay, and these animals live in different places. For example, camel live in desert. That means very hot place. And polar bear lives in poles. That means which is very cold place. That is, we got that animals can live in very hot places or very cold places too. Last line, animals have some special body parts that are suited for the place they live in. That means some animals have special body parts by which they are protected from the very cold or very hot weather or climate. Okay, in the next page, a habitat is a natural living place where plants or animals live. I have already told about this. That habitat, what is habitat? Okay, an animal needs few things to survive in its habitat, such as food, water. You know that we need water, food, shelter, air or place to live in. Okay, similarly animals also need these elements such as food, water, shelter, air, etc. For example, lion's home is the den and forest is its habitat. Home and habitat. Home means the room, closed room where they live. So lion live in den and the forest is its habitat. Habitat means habitat is a natural place, isn't it? So this natural place is called habitat and the special or specific room or cave is called their home. Okay, there are 5 main habitats of animal. What are those? Forest, desert, polar region, mountains, oceans and freshwater bodies. Okay, freshwater body means river, lake, ponds, etc. not the ocean. Freshwater means river from where we eat or we use our daily purpose. Let us study each of them in detail. So first one is forest. Forests are large areas covered with plants. Forest provides shelter to a large variety of animals. All of you know what is forest, okay? Forests are the large areas covered with plants. And you have to just remember the names of animal which live in forest. Okay, so for example, lion, tiger, bear, etc. Also, birds and monkey live in trees in forest. Rabbits make burrows in ground. That means they dig into the ground. Several types of insects also live in the forest. Okay, so this point you have to remember the name of the animals. Next, desert. Dry and hot places are called desert. You know, all of you know about the desert. Deserts are often very hot during the day and cold during the night. And animals that live in desert have special features to withstand the hot and dry climate. Many desert animals like snake, lizard, kangaroo, rat, etc. stay cool during the day by digging underground burrows and emerge at night to feed. So desert is the very hot places, okay, and these are very hot during the day and cold during the night. Then the animals, what do the animals like snake, lizard, kangaroo, etc. stay cool during the day by digging underground. Okay, these animals dig into the ground during the day. Okay, understood? Next, in the night, they emerge at night to feed. Feed means they go for searching food. Next, it is very hard to find water in desert. Many desert animals have thick skin to avoid water loss through sweating. Okay, they have thick skin. For example, camel have a thick skin which protect or provide prevents to water loss. Okay, the thick skin prevent water loss by desert animals. Next, come to the point, polar region. The polar region of the earth, Antarctica and Arctic, are extremely cold regions that are covered with snow. All of you know in the poles these are covered with snow. Polar bear, seal and penguin are found in this region. They are able to survive there because they have special features to withstand the cold. For example, polar bear have a layer of fat under their skin to keep them warm. Okay, polar region means the Antarctica and Arctic. All of you remember these two names of poles. And what animals live in poles? The polar bear. And these polar bear have a layer of fat under the skin to keep them warm. You remember this point. Okay. Next, mountain. Life on mountains are very harsh. Can you say the name of mountains? All of you read this. Okay. Then it is very tough to survive in mountainous region due to the scarcity of food. In the mountain, the animals or living things cannot found any food, or if man also live there, they cannot cultivate their foods. Okay, so it is very hard to find any food in the mountain. So it is very tough to survive in the mountain. Then climate is very cold. Animals like yak, mountain goat, ibex, etc. are adapted to their climate condition. Next, come to the point, oceans and freshwater bodies in the page number 18. Ocean covers 2/3 of the whole earth. It is the world's largest habitat. All of you know that water is the 2/3 part of the earth. And so this is the largest habitat, and it is divided into the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. So all of you remember the names of the ocean. Okay, there are how many oceans? There are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Southern Ocean. A large variety of fish are found in these oceans. Whale, octopus and jellyfish are some more variety of other creatures are found here. Rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. are called freshwater habitat. All of you remember freshwater habitat and ocean habitat. Okay, freshwater habitat means the animals which live in rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. So besides ocean, fish are also found in the freshwater. You know, fish are also found available in the freshwater also. Some animals live inside water like fish and shrimp. Some animals can live both on land and in water like frog and salamander. Such animals are called amphibian. So in this point you have to remember the name of oceans. All of you write this. Next, what is amphibian? Okay, give example. Next one, freshwater habitat and ocean habitat. Okay, understood? All of you about I have today discussed about the two points, no, 1 point, animals and their habitat. Okay, you know about the habitat. What is habitat? Next, come to the point, the different habitats, and I have discussed in detail about the different habitat. Okay, understood all of you? So I will give some homework and you write this and show me. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.